Grain and livestock markets closed mostly lower Tuesday. This is the American Ag Network. I'm Corryn LaRue with this closing market wrap-up. Grain and oilseeds closed lower across the board as traders focused on favorable U.S. growing conditions and technically driven selling pressure. Soybean oil, which had rallied to a 4-year high Monday after posting gains in 6 consecutive sessions, pulled back again as declining crude oil prices weighed on the market. Despite the setback, soybean oil continues to find underlying support from strong global demand. India, the world's largest vegetable oil importer, increased soybean oil imports by 38% in May from the previous month, bringing imports to a 5-month high. Weather remains a key factor for grain markets. Forecasts across the Midwest have improved from concerns about emerging dryness late last week. World Weather Incorporated expects regular rounds of showers and thunderstorms across much of the Corn Belt during the next 2 weeks, with enough dry periods between systems to allow producers to continue planting progress. Now, livestock futures finished mixed. Lean hogs recovered from early losses as stronger cash fundamentals provided support. The pork cutout value gained $2.53 at mid-morning to $102.28, while negotiated cash hog prices and formula-based hog values also moved higher. Cattle markets remained under pressure. Live cattle futures saw additional speculative long liquidation amid a lack of fresh bullish news, while feeder cattle followed lower. In the cash market, limited trade developed in Texas at $255 per hundredweight, about $2 below last week's prices. Now, taking a look at closing numbers, we've got July corn down 3.5 at 440.5. July soybeans down 15.5 at 1165.25. July wheat down 5 3/4 at 603. July Kansas City wheat down 12 1/4 at 634 3/4. And July Minneapolis wheat down 15 at 637. Moving over to the livestock complex, we're seeing June live cattle down 132 at 247.67. August feeder cattle down 312 at 348.42. And June hogs up 67 at 95.70. Thanks for joining me for this closing market wrap-up. I'm Corryn LaRue with the American Ag Network.